Well, I'm hearing a bunch of flapping and scrambling in my chimney. I've got the flue closed, and I am assuming again it's a starling that's dropped down into the chimney pipe. So I've got both doors open, and I'm going to open up the screen, then very gently open the flue, and hopefully little guy's going to figure out how to get out of there. This part's tricky because you don't want to injure the bird, because it's probably standing on there. I think I didn't feel any resistance there, so it'll probably figure out now. Might even be able to. Oh, there it goes. And it's out. So that's how you get a starling out of your chimney.